Hello students, I wish you a happy winter. So students, here we are with your winter vacation homeworks. Okay, so let's see that what are these. So first we will move to English. So here you can see the homework of English. Okay, so your first homework is draw or paste 5 pictures showing position of nouns in them. Frame a sentence and underline the words that show position in them. Okay? Your next homework in English is make a tree of describing words. Use at least 20 words. Now, let me show that how you are going to do your English homework. So your first homework in English is to show the position of noun. Here I have drew a box, okay, and on that I put a ball. So what is the position of ball? On. The ball is on the box. Okay, in next, ball is beside the box. Okay, so these two words are showing position. Now you have to write many more words like this. You have already done this activity in your class also. Now in the same question, it is written that frame a sentence and underline words that show position in them. So make a sentence with the help of on. So you can write the ball is on the box. On the box. So which word is showing position? On. So you'll have to underline this word. Okay. So this is clear to, I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now next we will move to next English homework. That is adjectives. So draw a tree like this. Write adjective on the stem and on leaves write some adjective words like wet, tall, red. Okay. You will have to write 20 words in the same way. Color this tree with the help of light color crayon or pencil color. Now we will move to Hindi homework. So your first Hindi homework is अंगूर का एक गुच्छा बनाइए तथा दिए गए शब्दों को अंगूर पर लिखकर उनके दो पर्यायवाची शब्दों को लिखिए और उन्हें याद भी करिए. ठीक है, यहाँ आपको कुछ शब्द दिए गए हैं जैसे आँख, कमल, घर, आकाश, जंगल, राजा, आग, घोड़ा, दोस्त, पृथ्वी. ठीक है, आपको इनके पर्यायवाची शब्द लिखने हैं अंगूर के गुच्छे पे. दूसरा होमवर्क है आपका अपनी पाठ्य पुस्तिका से किसी एक कविता की 10 पंक्तियाँ याद करें तथा A4 शीट पर सुंदर तरीके से लिखें. आपका तीसरा होमवर्क है पाठ 13 और पाठ 14 याद करें. तो आइए हम हिंदी का पहला कार्य देखते हैं. हिंदी का पहला कार्य है एक अंगूर का गुच्छा बनाइए तथा दिए गए शब्दों को अंगूर पर लिखकर उनके दो पर्यायवाची को लिखिए और उन्हें याद भी करिए. ठीक है, तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने एक अंगूर का गुच्छा बनाया है और उस पर 2 अंगूर रखे हैं. फिर मैंने दिए गए शब्द में से एक शब्द चुना जो कि है दोस्त और उसके 2 पर्यायवाची मित्र और सखा इस पर लिख दिया. इसी तरीके से आप अंगूर काटकर इस गुच्छे पे चिपकाएंगे और दिए गए शब्दों के 2 पर्यायवाची लिखकर उसे याद भी करेंगे. हिंदी का दूसरा होमवर्क, यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि A4 शीट पर तितली और कली कविता लिख करके किस तरीके से इसे सजाया गया है. आप अपनी पाठ्यपुस्तिका से कोई भी अपनी पसंद की कविता को लिखकर इसी तरीके से सजा सकते हैं. Now next we will move to mathematics. Our first homework in mathematics is make the model of solid shapes of cuboid, cylinder and cone. Compile them together and make model of a Christmas tree. ठीक है, आपको मॉडल बनाना है क्रिसमस ट्री का with the help of these solid shapes. Okay, your next homework in maths is measure the height of your any 4 family members in centimeter with the help of measuring tape. Like here it is given that कैसे आपको A4 शीट पे ये लिखना है. फैमिली मेम्बर्स एक कॉलम बनाएंगे आप, एंड नेक्स्ट हाइट. ओके, सो इन फैमिली मेम्बर्स कॉलम you will write the name of family members, and in height column you will have to write the name of height of those family members. Your next homework in maths is 3. That what you will have to do, write these sentences on an A4 sheet, okay, and fill in the blanks. Your fourth homework in maths is learn table of 16, 17 and 18. Okay. Now we will see the maths homework. So first homework is that you have to make the model of cylinder, cuboid and cone. Okay, and you have to compile it together and make a Christmas tree. Make a model of Christmas tree. So you can make it like this. Okay, so here you are able to see that how our Christmas tree looks like. Okay, if you want to decorate it, you may decorate it also. Okay, now we will move to environmental studies. So your first homework in EVS is make a first aid box with the help of shoe box and put 5 first aid items in it. Your second homework in EVS is find out 5 seasonal vegetables. Paste a small slice on an A4 sheet with the help of tape and write their names. Your third homework in EVS is learn chapter 16 and 17. Okay. So here let's see that how your first EVS homework you have to do. Next EVS homework is that you will have to take 5 winter season vegetables and paste it on an A4 sheet. Here I have taken 3 vegetables: cauliflower, peas and piece of carrot. Okay, students, you may dry these vegetables for 2-3 days in sunlight and then you can paste it, or you can do one thing, that you can pack it like this in a cello tape, and here you can see, and paste it on an A4 sheet. Okay, so here you see that how I am doing this. Okay, and write the name of these vegetables under it. That's it. So this is all about your winter vacation homeworks. Do these homeworks on A4 sheets, compile it and keep it in proper sequence in a file.